Welcome to our roundup of the best affordable electric bikes you can buy right now. Whether you are looking to upgrade your daily commute, explore weekend trails, or simply enjoy a faster and easier ride around town, a budget-friendly electric bike can completely transform the way you travel. Today, we've selected 5 highly rated electric bikes that combine strong motor performance, reliable battery life, solid build quality, and rider-friendly features without stretching your budget. We will break down each model's key specifications, including motor power, range, top speed, comfort, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Now, let's dive in. The first on the list is the CTT VXX 6000W Peak Dual Motor e-bike. This model is designed for riders who want a balance between raw power and refined control. It immediately grabs attention with its 6000W Peak Dual Motor system, long-range lithium battery, and a reinforced aluminum alloy frame. The dual motors deliver smooth yet forceful acceleration, allowing the bike to handle steep inclines and challenging terrain with ease. Whether you're navigating city hills or dirt trails, this bike feels strong, stable, and responsive. One of the standout features of the CTT VXX e-bike is its impressive range. Thanks to its high-capacity battery and efficient power management, riders can enjoy long-distance trips without constantly worrying about recharging. Multiple riding modes allow you to switch between full electric, pedal assist, and manual riding, giving you control over performance and battery usage. This makes the bike versatile enough for commuting during the week and adventure riding on weekends. Ride comfort is clearly a priority here. The bike features a robust suspension system that smooths out bumps and vibrations, while wide tires enhance grip and confidence on loose or uneven surfaces. The braking system is strong and reliable, offering consistent stopping power even at higher speeds. Despite its power-focused design, the CTT VXX e-bike feels surprisingly balanced and manageable, making it a solid choice for riders who want serious performance without sacrificing control or comfort. Next up is this PUJH 6000W dual motor e-bike. This electric bike is built for riders who want serious power and aggressive performance. Right out of the gate, it stands out with its dual 3000W motors, high-capacity removable battery, and full suspension off-road design, making it a beast for both urban riding and extreme terrain. With a combined peak output of 6,000 watts, this e-bike delivers explosive acceleration and impressive torque, allowing riders to tackle steep hills, sand, snow, and rough trails without hesitation. It's not just fast, it's confident and commanding on almost any surface. The PUJH e-bike offers a top speed that pushes well beyond what most standard electric bikes can achieve, making it ideal for thrill seekers and experienced riders. Its long-range battery ensures extended riding time, whether you're commuting long distances or enjoying all-day adventure rides. The removable battery design adds convenience, letting you charge it at home or at work without hauling the entire bike indoors. This flexibility makes it surprisingly practical for daily use, despite its high-performance nature. Comfort and control are equally impressive here. The advanced dual suspension system absorbs shocks from rough trails, potholes, and uneven roads, keeping the ride smooth even at higher speeds. Wide all-terrain fat tires maintain excellent traction and stability in both wet and dry conditions. Hydraulic disc brakes provide strong and reliable stopping power, ensuring safety even when riding aggressively. Overall, this e-bike is perfect for riders who want uncompromising power, off-road capability, and a commanding riding experience in one bold package. Next, we have the TST electric bike for adults. This electric bike takes a more practical and rider-friendly approach, making it ideal for daily commuters and casual riders. Its key highlights include high-torque rear hub motor, long-lasting battery range, and comfort-focused ergonomic design. While it may not push extreme power numbers like some others on this list, it excels at delivering smooth, consistent performance that feels natural and easy to handle. The TST electric bike is well suited for urban environments, offering steady acceleration and enough power to handle hills and stop-and-go traffic without stress. Its battery provides ample range for daily commuting, errands, and recreational rides, reducing the need for frequent charging. The pedal assist system feels intuitive, giving riders just the right amount of boost while still enjoying an enjoyable cycling experience. Comfort is where this bike truly shines. The upright riding position reduces strain on the back and shoulders, making longer rides more enjoyable. A well-padded seat, responsive suspension fork, and stable tires all contribute to a smooth and relaxed ride. Safety features like reliable disc brakes and integrated lighting improve visibility and control, especially during early morning or evening rides. Overall, the TST electric bike is an excellent option for riders who want reliability, comfort, and ease of use in an everyday electric bike. Next on the list is the EcoE 6000/5000W dual motor electric bike. This model is all about versatility and choice, offering riders two powerful configurations to suit different riding styles. It stands out with its dual motor performance options, extended range battery system, and heavy-duty off-road build. Whether you choose the 5000W or 6000W setup, this e-bike delivers strong acceleration and impressive hill climbing capability. The EcoE electric bike is designed to handle demanding conditions with ease. Its powerful motors allow riders to cruise at high speeds or conquer steep terrain without losing momentum. The large capacity battery ensures long rides, making it suitable for extended commutes or adventure trails. Riders can adjust power modes to conserve energy or unleash full performance when needed, offering flexibility for different riding scenarios. Durability and safety are key strengths of this bike. The sturdy frame feels solid and confident-inspiring, while the suspension system absorbs shocks effectively on rough paths. Fat tires enhance stability and traction, and the hydraulic braking system ensures precise stopping power even under heavy loads. Despite its rugged build, the EcoE electric bike remains surprisingly comfortable to ride, making it a great option for riders who want both power and long-term reliability in one polished package. The last one on our list is the Lelequai electric bike. This e-bike earns the top spot by combining power, refinement, and everyday usability into one well-rounded machine. Its standout features include a high-performance motor system, efficient long-range battery, and premium ride comfort design. Unlike some high-power electric bikes that feel overly aggressive, the Lelequai strikes a perfect balance between strength and smoothness. Performance-wise, the Lelequai electric bike delivers strong acceleration and reliable speed while maintaining excellent control. It handles hills, uneven roads, and long rides with ease, making it suitable for both commuting and recreational use. The battery system is optimized for efficiency, allowing riders to enjoy extended range without frequent charging. Overall, the Lelequai electric bike stands out as the most complete option on this list, offering power, comfort, and reliability in a polished package. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more honest, in-depth buying guides like this one. All product links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride smart and stay powered up.